Okie dokie, so we've got a soldering iron which is on. We've got some solder. We've got a solder sucker. So with the solder sucker, you want to get it as close as you can to the bit that you're trying to solder suck while you're doing while you're heating it up. That way you can beat it blap real quick. If you've melted off all the flux, you can either apply more flux or apply more solder. So same, just doing what I said earlier, just a moment ago. So getting the solder sucker real up close to the component I'm trying to solder suck on, push it over, bam. And there you go. Look. Well, I mean, it's pretty difficult to see through when I'm jittering, but there you go.